Hi guys, welcome to another vlog. So today I'm at an amazing Airbnb. Another Airbnb. We toured earlier an Airbnb worth $180,000. This is worth more than that, maybe $5 to $6 million, because this Airbnb is a 3 bedroom townhouse apartment with private pool on 5 Palm. 5 Palm is at the starting of Palm Jumeirah. So let's start the vlog. I'm in this amazing big balcony, LL-shaped balcony. As you can see, it's very huge, and I'm gonna show you the private pool. So this is the amazing property. This is the private pool, this is your barbecue area, and this is your cabana, and you have direct access to the private beach for 5 Palm. And this is the residential side I'm gonna show you. We're gonna check out the bedrooms next. Amazing pool for the residential side, and we can access the hotel side as well. So much greenery, so much peace. So I'm gonna talk about the rent for this Airbnb. This goes about 190,000 rupees. I mean 1,90,000 rupees for one day, because it's a 3 bedroom apartment, huge layout, huge layout. So that's why the price is like this. And we checked in for one day. So you've seen the balcony, you've seen the pool, you've seen the seating area. Now let's check out the bedrooms first. Where I'm standing, from here you enter into the master bedroom. Amazing property. And this is your master washroom, bathroom. This is your toilet area, and this is your shower area. You have jacuzzi, and this is your bathtub. You have a walkway here. This is your second bedroom. I think there's no washroom in this bedroom. There is washroom. So all 3 bedrooms are en suite. And this is your third bedroom. This also comes with walk-in wardrobes and amazing washroom. The quality is also nice. Let's check out the living room. Amazing. I know the lights are not on yet. And this is your kitchen. So powder room. And this is your entrance, private entrance for the residences. Amazing. So I'm back here again. Let me sit and talk about the Airbnb. I think my frame is correct. So I've told you how much this Airbnb goes for per day. And the amazing thing about this Airbnb is that, like, this is on Palm, and you have your 5 Palm hotel on the other side. And if you want to book an Airbnb here, you can book. I'll drop the link in the description. And I got in contact with the property management team from, I think they're from India, and they contacted me. They wanted some content out of it, and because I'm from real estate, I can help them with this thing. And you also get marina views. I don't know if you can see this. That side is your address, and I think they have in Dubai views also. Yeah, so this is your in Dubai. I'm at the ground level where they have the pool is, and I have with me my colleague, my friend.
What's up, guys? Welcome to the most amazing and the best party place of Dubai right now. We are at 5 Palm Jumeirah.
Woo! And this is their private pool. I was talking about cabana and the barbecue area. This is their seating area, and this is the door which has direct access to the beach. So let's go and check out the beach and rest of the 5 Palm. This is an amazing walkway. People are exercising. Yathat, how are you feeling?
I'm feeling good, I'm feeling nice, but you know what I'm most excited about? When our clients book this particular Airbnb and they can also feel what we are feeling.
Yes, exactly. So amazing 5 Palm property, and this is their open gym.
You get the best pool parties here
He's
in
so
the
excited.
town, bro.
Yeah, he's so excited. This is their open gym. Hi. And these are the views of the marina, Dubai Marina, and you have Emaar beachfront over here. If you're thinking how I know this, I work in real estate, guys. We work in real estate, and this is where the party is going. And this is 5 Palm, the hotel side. Amazing beach club. Now you see. Party is going on, and this is the another beach club.
Let me also tell you guys this, that the whole Palm Jumeirah is designed by Nakil, the master developer. And if you feel like that this is quite a pompous thing for you, you could also book the other villas and apartments with Nakil in different locations of Dubai with us.
So guys, he's talking about Palm Jebel Ali, the same Palm, just like Palm Jumeirah, but double the size. And this is the Bohemia Club, and this is where the fucking party is happening. Amazing property, guys. The Airbnb is so amazing. I'll drop the link in the description. I've told you before. And these are the other townhouses, just like ours. I think this is little smaller. Balcony size is smaller, but this is a proper villa thing. So guys, this is the beach club that I was talking about, and you see this is your Dubai Marina skyline, this is Emaar beachfront, and this is 5 Palm. Guys, so we're gonna check out tomorrow morning, and we have office, and we don't want to go to office now. So
We have important meetings, but we can give one day or two of us.
yeah, my client will wait, I think.
But you guys don't wait, just book this Airbnb.
Yeah, so this is the vlog, guys. You had the whole tour, and signing off. If you want to check the description, you can book it. The rent is 1,90,000 rupees for per day. Say bye.
Yeah, that's it. Take care, guys. Cheers, and we'll see you soon here. Drop us a message whenever you're in Dubai.
Bye bye.
Ciao.